Hello everyone, my name is Shorab and welcome to my 8th video of HTML5 tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss about meta tag and the HTML style attributes. So let's begin. We will first discuss about meta tag. HTML meta tags is a data about the HTML document. Okay. Metadata is not displayed when you open a web page. Okay, now where we write a meta tag, we add meta tags within the head tag. Okay, we had already discussed about title tag earlier, which is also a meta tag. Today we are going to discuss about another meta tag, which is charset meta tag or character set, you can say. All right, so as you can learn from the name, the character set is a meta tag which declares the character set of any HTML documents. Now before I explain further, let me show how charset meta tag is written. Okay, to write a charset meta tag, let's go inside the head tag first, then we write a less than sign, then META, then space, then CHARACT, then equals, then a space, then within double quotes we write in caps UTF, then a dash, then 8, then close the double quote and then close a greater than sign. Okay, so that's how meta tag is declared. A charset meta tag is declared. It is a self-closing tag. All right, now you may ask, what is a charset or character set? What is the use of it? So to display a HTML page correctly, a web browser must know which character set to use. There are few other character sets out there, but for HTML5 the default character encoding is UTF-8 and we will be using it for the rest of our video series. Alright, you know this much, that will be enough for you guys. Okay, next we will discuss about HTML style attribute. Okay, so what is the HTML style attribute? Say we want to add some colors to our web page background or need to make our text size bigger or need to change the position of a text at a specific point on our web page. So all of these things can be done with HTML style attribute. Okay, so HTML style attributes can be applied to any HTML element, say it body tag, say it h1 tag, say it p tag, any tags. Okay, so how to write? It is generally written like this. Here comes the tag name, then we apply space, then we write style, then equals to, then within double quote the property of the attribute, style attribute, then colon, then we put the value, then we put, then we close it like this within double quote, then a greater than sign. So this is the basic format of a tag name. We will not be writing it like this. All right, now let's see an example. Say we want to add background color to our web page. How can we do that? We go to the opening tag of the element where we want to add the style attribute. Okay, then we add a space here, then we write style, then equals to, then within double quote we write background, BACGROUND, background, then a small dash, then color. Okay, then we add colon, and now we add the value of this background color property, which is powder blue. Okay, then we put semicolon to close it, and then finally close it with double quote. Okay, so this is the way we add some background color to the body tag. Okay, now check it. Now let's save it and check it in our browser. So you can see here a light blue color is added to the whole web page. Alright, so that's it for now. If you understand this, we are ready to move on to our next tutorial. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.